Hello guys, welcome to another day, another video. This time again some cars. Okay, like these cars are, you can say, a single car and different versions of it or different sizes of the car. So basically this is the Audi R8 Lamo GT. So it's Audi R8 LMS GT के नाम से आपको ये गाड़ी मिल जाएगी. There is a separate video of this car in my profile. You can check. Okay, this is basically a remote controlled operator car. This is a remote control one and this is a plastic one. Okay, this is from Tector. Okay, then I have this. Okay, this is basically the same car. It's a stock R8. It's not a GT version or a Lamo version. It's a stock R8 in silver color. Okay, this is from Kinsmart. But the scale is 1:36. If you see over here, there is branding all over it. You can see there is a branding over here. Okay, there is an Audi's logo emblem front. Even on the front it's there. It's written Audi R8. Okay, then guys, we will move on to the third category or the smaller category of the same car. If you can see, this is basically the same Audi stock R8 and this is from Majorette. It is made in Thailand. You can see this is an Audi R8 again, but again a stock one. This is a stock version, this is a stock version and this is a GT version. और इसमें आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिफरेंट है because the same model has been replicated by different brands. इसमें थोड़ा थोड़ा फ़र्क हर जगह आपको दिखेगा. Like you can see, first one is the, you can see the alloy wheels. Now these alloys, you see multi-spoke alloys are there, and this one, these are the stock. This is the stock car, so these are the basically 5-spoke alloys as found in the market on the actual car. Again, this one is a bit different. You can see a smaller, like a funky type 5-spoke alloy is there. Okay, and this is black in color. So normally ये जो like customized में होता है ना, customized version में, so that kind of an alloys are there on this. ये side का जो cladding है, all is in black. All of them have both side rear view mirrors, you can see. But in this, the GT case, obviously normally in the GTs you will find the sponsors on there, so the mirrors are painted with the sponsor's name or maybe kept like that, or different kinds of mirrors are there. So you will find here they are black. Okay, इसमें being a stock version, these are silver. Again, this being a stock version, these are red. So body colored basically. When you go to the headlamps also, there is quite a difference in the headlamps. Okay, because obviously the GT cars are more customized. So if you see, the cluster is same in all of them, but there is a sharpness over here. There is a bit sharp edges on the clusters, on the headlamp clusters. Okay, here there are more curvy. These are also more curvy are there. Okay, so this is another difference. ये भी licensed version ही है. This one is a licensed version. So if you see, इतनी छोटी है, but still it has the Audi logo. It carries the Audi logo. See here both the sides. You can see. So that is the beauty of the what you say, the licensed versions. That is a beauty basically. So you can see this is an Audi branding over here. So okay, this is 1:36 as you see over here, 1:64. So guys, this is 1:64 scale, this is 1:36 scale, and then is 1:24 scale. इंटीरियर्स का देखे तो इसमें भी being a licensed version, interiors are there. पीछे का इंजन लेआउट भी है, interiors are there. This all steering and all layout is there, dashboard layout is there. This also you can see, dashboard layout is there. This also, there is a dashboard layout inside. If you keep steering and everything is there. Engine layout is proper and beautiful. Okay, in this being a lighter and a more cheaper version, there is no layout, there is no interior layout. इसको interiors ही नहीं है, तो there is no fancy side like door opening or something. There is does not open any door, anything, nothing opens. Okay, ये पीछे रिचार्जेबल बैटरीज के लिए पीछे दिया हुआ है. दैट इज द ओनली डोर विच ओपन्स ओवर हियर, बीइंग ऑफ रिचार्जेबल कार. दिस वन there the doors are open. Okay, can you see over here guys, the doors open like, and they are very good, and you can see the layout properly inside. When you see the doors are open, you can see the layout, inside layout, the dashboard, the seats, everything you can properly see. Seats are fixed. In some cars the seats are moving, that's why I showed the seats are fixed in this. It's a left hand drive proper. Okay, and this one being a very small, इसमें भी open नहीं हो रहे doors. Here the red are there, the tail lights are red. Here the tail lights are smoked one, black. Here also there will be red. Okay, there will be red. So there is a difference. Looking very very beautiful, and even one car can give you so many options. Like there are so many options of a single car. So that's it guys. So if you like this video guys, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and thank you. Bye bye.